dari tempat mesin kapal yang tersebut kita bawa dengan cara mentowing menuju ke dermaga Kalianget Sumenep.
Berapa lama itu proses evakuasinya?
Dari tempat terjadinya mati mesin kita mentowing kurang lebih sekitar 10 jam.
We were waiting because we had no engine. We couldn't use the engine and we couldn't sail because the weather was so heavy. And now we are here because a rescue thing came and took us, and everything is we are okay. But of course there is something wrong with the motor, and we cannot, because we want to continue to Malaysia and Thailand, so we cannot go without the engine. It's because you cannot only sail. The wind is always against us. Normally we sail, but now it's difficult here in Indonesia.
Posisi towing, mau hujan lebat, angin kencang, kecepatan bertahan knot, mohon doanya aja biar lancar sampai Sumenep. Terima kasih.